Okay, very quickly, I just want to show you maybe just two of the others, and just to show you what's the power of video ads. This one was 24 apple root stocks and with 2 sachets of organic hormones and nutritional booster. That's for that one. And this one, order for 5, that's 40,000 for 5 root stocks. Okay, now these are just two of the payments I choose to show you, but then let's go back to what brought about this. Now in here you'll see this promotion. Look at the performance first. 4,000 through plays. Now when you hear through play, that's the number of times that your video ad was played to completion. That's your video was played to completion of for at least 15 seconds. All right, now they are still, that metric is still in development by Facebook. Now for one through play, I paid a $1.57 couple, and over 20,000 people were reached for this video, and here are messaging replies. Okay, now this video was viewed for about 11,000 times. Okay, now quickly look at the content of the video. All right, this is the messaging on the video. This is the way it appeared. I'm sure you may have seen this video. I didn't make this video, because you can see from here I didn't make it. I just picked it because it was going to be helpful for my promotion, so I put it there, and that was it. Orders started coming in. Now let's quickly look at this. You can see about how much we spent on this ad. 6,372. 6,372. And if and this was from 25th of July. Now if you now go through to now begin to check the payments, the last payment that came in there was on it was in August. Okay, and that you could confirm here. Okay, this is 15th of August. Complete to place your own order anyway. All right, but that's just to show you the power of video ads and what you can do. And I'm going to be showing you how to set up your adverts to get it targeted so that you don't waste money on advertising. You can see this one spent only 6,372, generated in one sale over 40,000, in another multiply 24 by 8,000. That's pretty over almost 200,000, and that's amazing. All right, so, and there's another one too, like this very one. We spent about close to 2,000, and this one was free plus shipping, and the money for the ads was recovered almost the following day, and with more orders coming in. In fact, 2 orders there. One order for 12,000 covered already the costs of sending and the cost of everything there, with everything in the ad. And so this is what is possible. Then the subsequent orders already were profits for the advertiser. This I can help you do. If you will want me to, click on the link below, give me your information, your name, your email, your phone number, and other details required, and tell me when you need me to call you to have a discussion on the business to see how I can come in to help you double your sales, increasing your profits. That's what I do. I get marketing right. My name is 500percent.